All right, let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever looked at kids' products on Amazon, Etsy, or YouTube and thought, who is actually making all of this? Coloring books, bedtime stories, activity packs, audiobooks, even animations. It's everywhere. And the crazy part? A lot of it looks simple, but making it is not simple. And that's exactly why today we're talking about something called KidsNinja AI. Now, full transparency, this is a review, not a magic wand promise. So let's slow down, breathe, and actually talk about what this thing does and who it's really for. First, here's the problem nobody talks about. Kids' products aren't hard because they need genius creativity. They're hard because the process is brutal. You need writing skills, design skills, formatting, consistency, and worst of all, the pressure of knowing parents don't forgive mistakes. One sloppy page, one weird illustration, one awkward sentence. Yeah, trust is gone. KidsNinja AI exists to remove that pressure. And no, this isn't just another AI tool that spits out random content and leaves you to figure it out. That's the key difference. KidsNinja AI works on flows, not fragments. You start with one simple idea, a theme, a keyword, an age group, and from that single input, you get a complete kids product ecosystem. We're talking coloring books that actually feel planned, activity and puzzle books that make sense, warm bedtime stories parents feel comfortable reading, audiobooks so parents can press play, and even animations that don't feel gimmicky or cheap. Everything matches. Everything feels intentional. And honestly, that's what parents care about most. Parents don't buy kids' products because someone worked really hard. They buy because something feels safe, calm, and right. KidsNinja AI is clearly built around that psychology. Clean visuals reduce hesitation. Simple language builds trust. Consistent formats create comfort. It's subtle, but powerful. Now, let's talk about the business side because this is where it gets interesting. Kids' products are not trend-based. They don't die when algorithms change. They don't depend on viral attention. Parents exist everywhere. Kids grow every year. Needs repeat quietly, consistently. That's why sellers love this category. And KidsNinja AI lowers the barrier that used to stop most people from even trying. Beginners don't have to spend years confused. Busy people don't have to sacrifice nights and weekends. Online sellers can add a stable category instead of chasing volatility. One idea becomes multiple products. Those products become a pack. Packs increase value without increasing effort. That's leverage. Now, is KidsNinja AI for everyone? No. If you enjoy doing everything the hard way, if you want to manually design, rewrite, reformat, and stress over every detail, this probably isn't for you. But if you value simplicity, calm progress, and real outcomes, then it makes a lot of sense. And I do want to mention this part because it matters. KidsNinja AI comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. No pressure, no awkward emails, no explaining yourself. Use it. Generate real kids packs. Explore every format. If clarity doesn't replace doubt, you get your money back. Strong tools don't need convincing. They let results speak. For most people, the moment that changes everything is quiet. It's watching one small kid's idea turn into something complete, ready, sellable, finished. And once you experience that, the old way just stops making sense. So, if you've been sitting on ideas, or you want a stable, evergreen product category, or you just want to build something without burning yourself out, KidsNinja AI might be exactly what you've been missing. Check the link below, take a look for yourself, and move at your own pace. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.